Yeah, so welcome to Maths with Ish once again. Now we have a very interesting question here on mensuration that says that the total surface area of a cone of slant height L and base radius R. So this is the slant height here, L. This is the base radius R. Okay, so they say that the total surface area is 224 pi. Now, if the ratio of R and L is equal to 2:5, find 1, the value of R, then 2, the volume of the cone. So this is the question we're going to answer now, okay? So let's go. We are told that the total surface area of this cone is 224 pi. This is given to us, and we are also told that the ratio of the radius to the length, that is to the slant height rather, is 2:5. Is 2:5. That's 2:5. Now, the first question is saying we should find the value of the base radius, the value of R. That's the first question. So let's start from there. Now, we know that when given two ratios like this, the product of the inner one, that is L times 2, is always equal to the product of the outer one, which is L times 5 R. So from here, if I decide to make L the subject of the formula, I'm going to have that L is equal to 5R/2. We can see that. Good. So my L is equal to 5R/2. So let's come to that. Let's leave this one. Let's go to the next. Now they say the total surface area is 224 pi. Okay? So this 224, this total surface area is given to us. The formula for total surface area is pi r bracket r plus L. Okay, that's the formula. So this total surface area of a cone, this is the formula for it, and we are told is equal to 224 pi. So from there, if we can divide both sides, see that this pi, we cancel out this pi, so that I'm left with R times this, R squared, R times L, RL equal to 224. So now this is where this becomes useful to us now, okay? So remember we have gotten that L is equal to 5R/2, so I'm going to substitute the value of L here. So I'm going to have R squared plus R into, in place of this L, I put my 5R/2 equal to 224. Can you see that? Good. So let's go. I'm going to expand this bracket again, so that I'm going to have plus R times this 5R squared over 2 equal to 224. Can you see that? Good. So now I know that this is the same thing as 2 whole number 1/4. These two are like terms. So if we add them together, that will give us 7R squared over 2 equal to 224. Can you see that? Okay, good. So let's go. From here, I'm going to have, okay, maybe I should start from the top here. So from here, I'm going to have that 7R squared, if I cross multiply now, is equal to 448. Can you see that? And so my R squared is equal to 448 divided by 7. 7 here, that will give us 64. So which means that my R is equal to square root of 64, and that is 8. So I've gotten this, my base radius here, as 8. Okay, 8. So can you see that? Now, if I've gotten that as 8, it therefore means we can now get our L. So, which means that this implies that our L now equal to 5R, where R is 8, which is 5 times 8 over 2. 5 times this is 40, so which means that my L is 20. So I've gotten my L here as 20. Can you see that? Okay, so now remember, we want to get the volume. We want to go to question 2 now, the volume. Okay, now you know that the volume of a cone is given as 1 over 3 pi r square h. This is the volume of a cone. So we need this vertical height, and this will now take us again to Pythagoras theorem. So from Pythagoras theorem, we know that the square of the hypotenuse 20 square is equal to the square of the two other side, which is h square plus h square. So this will give us 400 is equal to h square plus 64, so that my h is equal to 336 square root of 336 rather. And when we check the square root of 336, that will give us when we check the square root of 326, that will give us 18.3, approximately 18.3. So we're going to use this now to get our value for this volume now. So recall that volume is equal to 1 over 3 times pi. This time let's take pi as 3.142 times r square, h square, which is 64, then times height. The height now we have gotten as 18.3. So when we work on this whole thing here, will give us 3685.943 from the calculator. This is what we're going to get. And when we divide, this will give us 1228.64. Okay, and we are asked to leave our answer in 1 decimal place, so that will give us 1228.6, approximately centimeter cube. Oh, so this is our solution to this problem, and I hope you've gained value from this. Thanks for watching. You have a good day. Bye.